Hi everybody, it is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another ASL here at Create and Relate. Like I said, we're working on that, but we gonna get it. We're gonna try to do we get it right. Okay, so today is officially our first quiz. Don't be intimidated. I don't need you to put your answers in the comment box. You don't have to go to the community page or anything. This is strictly an honor system. I'm not doing this to judge anybody. I'm doing this to teach you, and I'm learning in the process. This is something that we can do together. Okay? So, over the course of the past couple of weeks, we have learned 4 alphabets and 10 words. It's not only thumbs up, it means 10. So that's what I'm going to do from now on. I'm going to do 4 alphabets. So I'm going to do 10 words within those 4 alphabets. I'll quiz you on them, and then we'll do a bigger quiz where we incorporate what we've learned so far. So we've done A through D, and next we're going to do E through H. But we're not going to worry about that right now. So, I've chosen the 10 words in random order. I didn't want to go through and say, okay, we did A, here's A. We did B, here's B. I wanted you to really look at them. So this is how this is going to go. I'm going to sign the word, and you'll have between 10 to 15 seconds or so to jot it down on a piece of paper or something. And then at the end, just tell me how you did. I'll go over it at the end. And so no skipping ahead. Like I said, honor system. Okay? We're going to trust ourselves that we know this. We got this. And if not, just go back and look at the video and say, oh, short, guys. Come on, we can do this. Okay. Let's get ready. Our first word. Just a few more seconds. Okay, our second word. Okay, our third word. Got it? Okay. Word number 4. Cool. Word number 5. Number 6. Cool. Number 7. Okay. Number 8. Okay. Number 9. Number 10. Okay. So how did you do? How do you think you did? Feel pretty confident? Let's see. All right. So, 10 words is what we had. Just 10. We started with color. Then we went to apple. Then decrease. Then drop. Begin. Ball. Day. Cut. Art. Crochet. So how did you do? Let me know in the comments. That's all I want you to let me know in the comments how you did. We only had 10. Don't even tell me how many you got right. Just say, I did good, I did great, I did excellent, however you feel you did. But just know that I dropped these videos so that you can always go back and check them out and we can learn from them. Okay? So, see you guys soon. Don't forget to love yourselves, because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved if you don't love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. And in all of that, know that I, Kitty Lane, love you too. Peace out.